show you guys this super cool product. It's actually a professional hair dryer. It's called the H5 negative ion hair dryer. So in this box, you actually receive one hair dryer, which looks super cool and super sleek. Okay, there are few functions to it lah. It works just like how a normal hair dryer would work. It has like a fan mode, and then it has heat mode 1, heat mode 2, and it also comes with a cooling button at the back. So these are just some of the cool features. Basically, it works just like a normal hair dryer, alright? So this package actually comes with one hair dryer and one volume diffuser. So the volume diffuser is actually good for people who have curls, who have big curls, who want to achieve big curls, and who have actually pumped their hair. Alright, so now I've got the hair dryer on. I'm just gonna on it on a heat mode number 1. So I'm done with drying my hair. As you can see, I basically just run my finger through with the hair dryer. I did not use any styling lotion or any brush at all, and you can see that there's a substantial amount of volume at my roots, and you can see that my hair is really soft and really shiny. So that's what I really like about this hair dryer. The three main things is that it dries really quickly, and number 2, it really reduces frizziness in my hair, and it really smoothens out and gives my hair shine. And number 3, most importantly, it really gives volume at the roots that traditional hair dryer cannot create. So I'm really loving this product, and I really have one of this, so I just want to really share the benefits of the H5 hair dryer with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it.